Next up, we'll talk about training. T-CAIREM datasets have different requirements for what training programs users will need to complete to access them. However, as a default, they will at least require the completion of the Tri-Council's TCPS2 Core 2022 training in research with human subjects. Upon completion of this training, users will receive a certificate of completion. Hold on to this. Once I've completed this training, I can then go to the settings page from my top bar and then click on the training tab. I'll select TCPS2 from the drop-down menu, which gives me the requirements for the training, as well as a button to upload my training certificate. If you need access to the TCPS2 training, this is also a place to do it. Much like credentialing, once this is submitted, the data steward will review all applications and approve that your training is valid.